This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode. Juggling now. Who was the first big sound that you and Nuts or you and yourself bucked up juggling now? Because remember, this is more the Stone Loves, the Metro Meters, and V songs.
All right. Them time, outside of most of the big sound them in a Kingston, when we are juggling with them, Nuts always present. So, say if we are Metro player, if we are Stone Lover player, him always present, him always step on the island for them dance. Because a Kingston that song. Them now go break the sound, send out the sound at them type of dancer. Because, Stone Love, at the sound where I run Kingston away, Them are them would have be the number one juggling sound they come out to back, jungle side, uptown, a Stone Love his sound. But when they touch anywhere upon the east, a Super Dee at the sound.
Okay.
So it's like the east, a Super Dee territory. No boy can't step cross from Super Dee on the east. None of them. So Stone Over the sound now will run uptown, jungle, and go uptown back a Stone Love. But once you go south side, Tivoli come back to the east, a Super Dee control the whole of them part there. See Super Dee start move, go uptown now, and I capture some spot uptown. I place in top line, front line. Super Dee capture that on a Tuesday night, have one of the biggest score on a Tuesday night. Southdale Plaza. So Super Dee now start getting at the uptown thing. So Super Dee have two main spots around, Tuesday and Sunday. So Super Dee start be a threat to Stone Love. Because Nuts not player. Nuts a wicked juggler. And when Nuts turn up and start juggle and talk, because Nuts can clash and Nuts can juggle. That's the difference with Stone Love or the Worry. Don't get me wrong, Worry a great selector and a bad selector, but I'm a friend, but if you really mean to tell the truth, you must tell us Nuts is a boy when afraid if my Nuts buck up. As bad as how him is.
Yeah.
Can't juggle, Worry can juggle him time there, and the tell the boy to juggle. When Rory stand up on that and you have cancer, and they run down and them a beat the jump set, And Rory are juggling and not normal, But you see when they buck up and they buck up boy like Nuts, and Nuts stand up around Super Dee and start the juggling. When Nuts are juggling and Nuts juggle like him, a clash with you,
It's hardcore juggling.
Yes. So it wasn't a selector with an easy for run around. It's a selector who ever stand up. But them time there, a Stone Love are the man. But when they woke up and a little sound like Super Dee, them have to stand up strong. Because it's not an easy sound to play with. Yeah, man. When I tell that in Super Dee, Stone Love don't want to play with, man.
Okay,
they
so
really mean to
where you guys weren't really playing.
Oh, Stone Love and Super Dee?
Yeah.
One of the times Super Dee and Stone Love not really play. They not play. The only time Super Dee and Stone Love buck up. All of them out there, they can't talk the truth. Cause I don't even think Slaughter know them time there. Because Slaughter never play Stone Love them time there.
Okay.
The only time when Super Dee and Stone Love buck up is when a general from the community a kick dance. And the general them say Super Dee and Stone Love. So say then can't say no. But if a next promoter go for book Stone Love and Super Dee, Stone Love can say, I'm not play with Super Dee, get a next song. But when the general them keep the dance and the general them say Super Dee and Stone Love, the dance have to go on, it have to happen. I saw Super Dee and Stone Love play in a town enough,
Yeah. Because since we're talking about Super D and Stone Love, there was a famous Super D and Stone Love where you and Malcolm X got into it. What happened at that dance, Freddie? Take your time and tell me what happened here.
It come like our history dance.
Mm-hmm.
It's a history dance that it was a place named Glengarth.
Mm-hmm.
See, them time then a Franklin town we live.
Mm-hmm.
And say the whole of Franklin town, so them used to Super D play Harborview. Them when Super D the Harborview play Sunday night time, Franklin town move,
Mm-hmm.
Everybody the Harborview. So me live a Franklin town. So Franklin town people they see me every day. So they say, what? All right, I say bad selector live right in our place. Oh, we say say Franklin town people have a big rating to me. South people have a rating to me. Cause me a Super D them look selector one not the place,
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know who keep it dance, but a man keep a dance one place in Glengarth up in a St. Catherine. Jara territory them they still,
Mm-hmm.
See in a place in Palm Tree Land. Super D and Stone Love. So where they play dance black, But Stone Love is a sound. When Stone Love them a play, I just feel them style that.
Mm-hmm.
You hear them say Stone Love stand alone. And then until today they are so Stone Love stays. Then we make some speech. I see speech and when they make on the mic, it make a sound like your sound is nothing. Like they make some speech like make it look like he's a little boy then. And then them are the big man.
Mm-hmm.
But now, me now is a little selector now. I mean, I take them to sit there and dance. I mean, I take them to find nobody until today they are so mistake. Once we make some talk, we make me look small. Mm-hmm. When me come in and I play now, me I give it to you, me not disrespect you, and me not curse you.
Mm-hmm.
But me I come back and defend my sound and make you know so my sound a bad sound.
For sure.
I saw me deal with it. I people like them thing they're dancing. So when we then had a Malcolm X play sound, I don't remember. I think Slaughter, Billy Slaughter was there. Saying so Malcolm X in a dance, and I met the speech was Stone Love American. I don't quite remember the speech.
Okay.
That when Malcolm X, but he make a speech, and it's not really a disrespect speech or what this say, But the talk, it make it sound like it's a little sound, and a stole over the man. So me when Super D time and Super D play, so me just come in and me did that play and me play 2 songs and rock the place. Me just start counter-rocking and me said, a boy over there, so a selector boy over there, so Ray. Saying, and drop me song and Super D bust the place. When Stone Love time coming back complaining, Stone Love come in and Stone Love play, and then Malcolm X attack and I say, anyone, no man if call him the little boy, any boy call him the little boy again, Ray, and this and that. So I never pay my mic, and me just sit down.
Mm-hmm.
And so I'm tea. So all of Franklin told in I dance and some man say, yo, we there, no make no boy call you down in this leader, Saying Super D this, We there. Defend the sound. So me coming back now, me say after me call a man, say me hear a little boy, a little selector boy over there. So the man say me have to call him a little boy. Say if it's not a boy, then that means it's a girl. So an argument reach him and they dance boo. Yo. And one top the man top it down flat and go with the sound,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a not I guess I know. You see, if me the sister come at me,
Mm-hmm.
me could avoid that thump,
Mm-hmm.
But are the people and me facing and I talk to the people them.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a now look thump the man give me, Thump me down flat and go in the middle. Go the sound. See? So it's like the whole dance here I say, How selected that? The whole dance get mad. I start fling up some buckle up there in a pandemic, you know. I said, the youth never like him, if you do the youth that. I dance in a different sound. And I text somebody if you take him out of the dance, you know. I kill him, you know. I kill the whole dance, so I kill him, man. Just see the mistake that we make. Because
you know it was a big write-up in the paper and everything.
Yes, it was a big write-up in the paper that said, yeah, come up in the paper and say, boy, Super Dee mash up Stone Love sound. But I'm not Super Dee mash up Stone Love sound. And then say Super Dee mash up then jump set. It wasn't Super Dee. Even when Super Dee sound, I pack up and I come out. The whole of people them up, they say, oh, Stone Love sound can't left here. They must give back the promoter money or something because they mash up the dance. See? So Super Dee never really do them nothing. And the people and get vexed because people must say, boy, Super Dee no do them nothing, and Super Dee selector no do them nothing. The man just a defend him sound and a making speech and a play him song and a Malcolm X jump over there and top down the man.
But as you said, there was a vibe between Super Dee and Stone Love from time. So then that was just
the vibe. The vibes was, you know, because I guess, you know, the vibes is not really, it's not really like a bad vibes, you know. It was a fear, because Super Dee is a son once him buck you up. You know, a lot of sound in Jamaica until today. I saw them still. You say them know, so you're a warrior, you're better than them. All right, your son bigger and feel them, you know. You have a bigger name. But when you and them buck up in a one dance, then can't run on you even though them have a name. You always a last them. Super Dee was a sound like that. Stone over the sound have the name, have the bigger name than Super Dee. But anytime them and Super Dee buck up, then can't run on Super Dee. No time at all. Super Dee always outlast them. So, no selector, him know him play Stone, he not go like that. So there comes now, him buck up and a dance in a one local country place. And a local selector like me a play. So, then feel like now they can treat Super Dee anywhere. But them time they, me hungry for boss. And the boy can't stop up on me. I'm in a queue who you are. And then now, my boss stand up over there saying, you know, with him in big pouch and I arm, you know. And the arm have on two dub plate, you know. Saying, as a Super Dee roll, you know, and then come and dance, you know. And they must say, do it, youth. Play the song now, play the song now, I saw him stay. So him full of vibes, I aim that.
There.
So I'm not afraid of nothing.
From there, did you guys, so was that the last time that Super Dee and Stone Love actually played? Or
no,
played again after that?
No, it take a time, long time after that, because Super Dee and Stone Love have fall out because of that. But at the end of the day, it boil along, you know, them have them mean and then go reason and then talk it out and thing. And when they talk it out, if Malcolm X, if he really mean to tell you the truth, if Billy Slaughter, he can tell you, and realize some Malcolm X was wrong. I think we probably are suspend Malcolm X because of that dance. Because at the end of the day, it was Malcolm X cast that fiction between Super Dee and Stone Love, and him cast that dance and mash up. So we probably it's a principle man, you know. It's not a man who will bring his sound go out there will clash. And Super Dee is not a man who will go out there will clash with Stone Love. Then just keep it, you know, on a principle because we put in a clashing, so you not go out there go exalt himself and Stone Love. Super Dee not do that. But because Malcolm X make a speech, me make back a speech, so all Malcolm X, if you do not come back, make back a speech and defend himself. It was no disrespect speech, you know, like me a diss him, because I do, you understand? Me not do that, and I the type of selector the way there. Me never, and I saw when I grew up and I do music, and I might think that was my line, and not never teach me that way there. Me grew up and me get my teaching a different way. If you defend myself and defend my sound. Not if you cuss and trace. So me defend my sound. But the way me defend my sound now, it hurt him. So instead of coming and defend back himself, him just take it in a badness way. And so that's what caused a breakdown. But after a period of time, Super Dee and Stone was goes again, playing all about the place again.
Okay.
Me and Malcolm X good. We me and Malcolm X maybe never talk. Cause I don't like me didn't know Malcolm X the way that me and Malcolm X was friend.
Okay.
Seeing, but them not bad like me. I mean I play the bad sound, you know. Them I play the bad juggling sound, but me I play the sound that can juggle and war.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.